Okay. So, hi, welcome back to my channel. After the badminton part 1, part 2 is gonna release so soon, so soon, so soon. And so here we picked these 3 colors as blindfolded. So I have this white and this light pink. So we're gonna make a bird through this. So let's see who will make the fastest bird ever. Who makes the first? The opponent should give a chocolate to us. If I win, she needs to give me a chocolate. If she wins, I need to give her a chocolate. So let's see. And we both are wearing artificial hair. We first we thought of doing something, and we had an idea of playing. And I miss my friend Krisha. She has school.
Full day school today.
Yeah, for us half day.
Saturday.
Yes. Okay, you be talking to them.
Yeah. So blindfold, I've got this dark pink, yellow, and dark turquoise. So we're gonna make a bird. We learned how to make it in school, so we're gonna do it again at home. We're gonna be wasting a lot of VR in doing this. And where did she run off to? Got no idea. This is gonna be extremely infinity boring. What way catching is? I feel like it's an hour. 2 days since you. At least you came. It feels like 2 hours.
What?
Since you left me.
And you need a paper, right, for the body.
I thought it was writing pad. Because in school, I'm told to use writing pad.
You tear a paper if you want, how much you want for your body.
Like that you want to do. You have to crinkle it, right? Probably.
So, do we need a writing pad?
Yeah, but we need to spin the yarn.
Yeah.
My state of paper. Like where those covered, now not. Covered, now not.
What are you doing?
I have no idea.
Oh, I have to just be sticky.
Lucky dip.
The devil's kitchen. Oh my god. What and all do I have?
I've got no idea what you have.
Not what it is, huh? It's not what it is,
Kashmir just locked her brother out. Kashmir,
Yeah.
you're gonna lock us out.
Yeah.
You're gonna kill us.
Yeah. Take this out if you want.
I don't care.
Okay. This is my term exams right?
So, 20 rounds, right?
15. We'll make it 15.
I make it 10.
Okay, let's make it 10.
10 is easy. No one's gonna waste their time doing 15.
Okay.
10 is shorter and easier. Starting off with round 1.
And 10.
2,
Yay. It's over.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Do we need to cut it in the middle?
We have.
And now in the middle.
We'll make everything and then I'm gonna cut it in the middle. It's easier. My yellow business is done.
Wait.
Now my pink business.
How much did you take? 10.
10.
When I took 10, it's so thin.
Mine is also thin. You cut it. Mine is not cut.
Oh, you have to cut tala.
Yeah, I have not cut it. When I cut it, you'll see how thin it becomes.
Oh, it's yours. Mera white here, yeah. Oh, wow. Have you guys ever seen me talking Kannada?
I do. I have seen.
Hey, where is the starting point?
Who knows?
Can you give me out of this?
2,
The starting point.
3. Where is the
I
start?
can't find it.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
Oh my.
2, 3,
Okay, 1, 2,
4,
3, 4,
5,
5, 6, 7, 8,
6,
and 10.
7, 8, 9, 10,
Ah.
11. Where is the scissors? Did the scissors run away?
I think it hates you.
Nothing hates me. Pink. Now time for the turquoise. One.
I don't know how the bird is gonna come. I think it must be so. Oh no. The colors have shown. Pink is so
5.
damn mad. Oh
6,
shit.
7.
She is going more further.
9.
She's already at the third color and I'm sitting in here, third color. That's
At least you cut them into pieces. I've not even done those cutting.
Oh shit.
What happened?
5, 6, and 7, and oh shit! I need to redo this. She's moving ahead.
At least I'm not running away. Yeah. Now, pinky pink.
Actually, can you help me this out?
What happened?
Oh, it's tangled. Take my toy. Oh, now it's way more worse.
And now, dun, 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 my final color.
Oi! Whatever, I don't care. One,
Now you gotta take
2,
the next
3,
color.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Kashvi, you're going back to small kid. You're going back to UKG.
Okay, why?
Careful.
Oh yeah. Okay, now gotta clear this up. Such a big mess. I need the white in the middle for the head thingy. So where should I keep the head?
I don't know. I'm doing how much I remember.
Even I don't know. You know what? One wish I remember. Let's do something later. Something I remember is to cut off some small thing and keep it in the middle and tie it off. Oh. Yes, tied up. Next,
Time for pinky pink.
whatever this might be. Whatever, I'll keep this in the middle. And then we should put this right.
My yarn is becoming bald.
Yeah. And I remember doing this.
I remember tying this up.
And then yes, you know what? I'm gonna tie
Now
all
what are we
of this.
supposed to do?
I have no idea. This I'm gonna tie these up. Let's see who will make
This is
the
my new
bird
hair
first. Why? Let's see who will make the bird fast and soon.
Kashvi.
What?
Hi.
Yo.
I have no idea what I'm supposed to do.
Wait, I think I don't know. Let's see who wins. Yay!
I don't know what to do. I'm definitely losing. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. I've got a new hairband, guys. I'm slowly creating.
And I'm going crazy down here.
I don't even know what I'm supposed to do after this. Mom literally did for me. I asked Mom for help how to do it. Mom just showed everyone in mind.
Wow.
So technically, I don't have to do anything. I asked Mom what to do next. I was like, I need to show others what to do. Mom didn't give. I also showed others, but I sat
Around. So after these colors, so what should we do?
I mean, yes.
What? Wait, I remember. We need to tie this up, like we need to do like this, something, and like this, and keep it in the middle. Oh yeah, I remember. Tie it. Yay, I remember. Wait. I need a tie. You didn't do anything in the school.
What do you mean?
Like all mom did. Our teachers, are especially our CCA teacher, she's like so partiality
What do you mean?
sometimes. Yes.
It was last year.
Yeah, that was only for Daksh.
What Daksh?
Literally, you don't. You don't remember?
I remember, but I don't know what for Daksh.
Partiality always. Treating him with kindness.
Kind? Can't scold him like anything. Yeah. What am I supposed to do after this?
Did you tie for both sides?
Yeah.
So fast.
Yeah.
How?
Hey.
How did you so tie so? Okay.
Now what am I supposed to do?
Wait a sec. Let me show you. And then.
You're supposed to tie that as well.
Like here, we need to keep it. Oh shit. Hey, wait a sec. Good. Hey, 1 second, remove those, huh?
Why?
Yes, I see. You remove it.
I think I've done it.
How did you do?
My ball is just showing itself. My ball likes to be the center of attention.
Why is it so silent?
I don't know. Your brother probably went out to play.
Yeah, my brother is watching TV.
Okay.
That's the reason, I think. Oh god, this is so hard, man. I never thought it would be this hard.
You never did it?
What?
You never did this ball?
I did this 3 times, but it's still hard. I did 2. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I think I got it while the teacher said to do 20 rounds.
What, 20 rounds?
The yarn.
What, 20 rounds?
The yarn.
Oh yeah, because it would be so thin. And after this, what should we do next?
I got no idea.
After this head.
My
After this one, what should we do? After this face.
You did so tiny.
No, like after this face, this tie up.
You have to take the paper ball.
And what is this for?
Give it. Make a paper ball.
I'll just check out myself.